Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be taking you through the process of making Uziza. So I have my proteins. I use beef, smoked fish, more, and then we have the Uziza leaves, the Uziza seed, crayfish, black pepper, thickner, stock cubes, salt. So for this particular dish I use cocoyam thickner, which you will see in the process of this video. So here I've washed my proteins and I have all of them combined and set to boil. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil a little, and then I'll add my stock cube. So I'll add my stock cube and then cover it as usual, but then there's also salt. I'll add my salt as well, and then allow this to boil for about say 20 to 25 minutes, so that the stock and everything gets into my protein to give it that taste that I really want. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil. So as you can see now, you can see everything in our pot boiling. I'm going to leave this while preparing every other thing. While I was waiting for this to boil, I was cutting my veggies, pounding my Uziza seeds, grounding my crayfish and all of that. So just to give me the time and give this actually the time to boil and everything. So here I'm going to add my grounded crayfish. Yes, I'm going to add this because I feel like I've allowed it to boil for the average amount of time actually. So yes, I'm going to add my crayfish and also add my blended Uziza, add my pepper, everything. At this point I'm going to add everything and allow it to just keep boiling. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Like, subscribe, and share.